Just right, just right, just right. Here's my video example of my just right book. So at first, I chose this book, Zippers Have Teeth. And I thought it was going to be just right because I was really wondering about that. Why does a zipper work that way? But then I started to read it and I realized, even though I thought it was just a quick picture book, there were a lot of words I couldn't figure out and I didn't understand it. So I decided this would be a book that I would read with my uncle at night. He could help read it with me so I could understand it. But my just right book to read by myself ended up being, here's the title, Junie B. First Grader, Toothless Wonder. And I knew this one was just right because I could read most of the words. If I didn't know them, I just tapped them out and I could understand it. And I knew I understood what was going on with Junie because I keep laughing. I think she's so funny and silly. And I'm interested in this book because I lost all four of my front teeth at the same time when I was younger. And it looks like she's going to be losing her teeth too. So that's why I really wanted to read it to find out. And so far, I'm loving it. Can't wait to hear about the books that you're loving and that are just right for you.